A little known fact, but about 40% of all the cowboys in the Wild West, who should have been in all those movies that John Wayne made, were actually from Scotland, because they were Highland drovers and had basically been droven out. And if you ever get a chance to read a book called Plaids and Bandanas, it's by a former MSP, Rob Gibson. It delineates how, basically people from way up in the north in Inverness and all the rest of it found their way to Montana, and it kind of inspired this song, where it's effectively just a comparison. The person out there is comparing his life before, the stories he's heard before, with what he's coming across out in the Montana plains. So here we go. Remember old fireside tales of the lifting, a kye to Loch Aber, with a prince yet on sky. McMurrough Reevach surprised the bold reivers, left none but their watchmen to tell how they died. On the Montana ranges yon stories repeated, where rustlers no reivers, all we learned wi' guns, when Stuart's men caught them a week ago Sunday. At first there was 30, then there was none. They drove up to Cowboy fields, the homesteads, across the great water in 79. Where iron wire fences, the railroads and clearances, Nathan was left for a man of my kind. As a boy I would follow my feather to Falkirk. The tryst was in season and then in its prime. Would sleep in our plaids and would drink and be merry, and trade with the drovers for berwick and thyme. No sit wi' rifle at night neath the Rockies, on guard with the beasts against wolf pack and lion. I sing in the darkness, for silence is lonely. It keeps the kye calm and it eases my mind. They drove up to Cowboy fields, the homesteads, across the great water in 79. Where iron wire fences, the railroads and clearances, Nathan was left for a man of my kind. Round up the herds were Scots, Gaels and Irish, were black and were Spanish, a Shorey and Crow. In the heat of the summer and cold of the winter, the work needs a saw, that's all we need to know. But in early summer the mountains are bonny, I hunt the wild deer and I drink for the spring. I'm saving my siller to send back to Braemore, to bring over the lassie that makes my heart sing. They drove up to Cowboy fields, the homesteads, across the great water in 79. Where iron wire fences, the railroads and clearances, Nathan was left for a man of my kind. We drove up to Cowboy fields, the homesteads, across the great water in 79. Where iron wire fences, the railroads and clearances, Nathan was left for a man of my kind. Thank you.